AirView Pro 4 drone review, worth it or just a hype? Thinking about leveling up your aerial shots but don't want to drop $1,000 on a drone? You've probably seen the AirView Pro 4 drone popping up online, promising 4K video, long flight times, and a budget-friendly price. But is it actually good or just a slick marketing? Let's find out if it's the right drone for you. What is the AirView Pro 4? Here's what you're getting with the AirView Pro 4. 4K camera with images stabilization. Dual cameras, one on the bottom for downward views. Up to 25 minutes of flight time. Gesture controls, headless mode and return to home. Foldable designs, super portable. It's aimed at the beginners and casual flyers who want solid footage without the pro price tag. And yeah, it looks slick. Think DJI mini style but on a tighter budget. How it performs. Here's where things get real. Setup, it's fast. You charge it, sync it with the app, and then you're flying like a 5 minutes. The 4K video, it's decent. Not cinematic quality, but surprisingly sharp for the price. Great for social media content. It handles well. Smooth in low wind, responsive controls, and the altitude hold actually works for beginners. That's a huge win. But don't expect pro-level obstacle avoidance. You still need to fly smart. So its pros and cons is that first, it's lightweight and foldable. Good battery life for casual flying, beginner-friendly controls, value for money, seriously. Then its cons is that no real-time 4K streaming, recorded 4K only, not great in strong wind. App can be a little glitchy depending on your phone. Still for the price, it delivers. For its final thoughts, should you get the AirView Pro 4? If you're new to drones and want a solid entry-level option that captures great-looking footage without killing your budget, this is a great place to start. Just keep your expectation realistic and you'll be flying happy. Smash that like button if this helped, drop your questions in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-fluff tech reviews. Catch you in the skies!